So crypto exchanges are where you buy, sell and trade your crypto. But what happens when exchange itself starts having problems? And we have already seen major platforms disappear, get shut down or get regulatory actions or simply lose relevance. And you also might have heard about the news regarding BitMEX exchange, which is going to shut down in the month of September of this particular year. So when you're actually choosing a crypto exchange, what exactly you should be looking for? Whether it is low fees, number of coins listed, high leverage or something which most traders completely ignore. So today I'm going to break that down for you, and at the end I'll be taking you inside an exchange which I have been looking at recently, which is known as Margex, and I'll be showing you how exactly this particular platform works from signing up and navigating through their trading interface. So before starting today's video, let me tell you I'm not your financial advisor. This video is only for educational purposes, so make sure you consult your own financial advisor before investing your money into the market, because crypto and other markets are subjected to risk. And also, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon, because we bring up daily crypto contents for you so that you stay up to date regarding the crypto world. So before we talk about Margex, let's understand the bigger problem. An exchange is not just an application where you press long or short. It holds your asset, execute trades, provides liquidity, it provides security and regulations, and also handles withdrawals. But when one of these pieces breaks down, things go wrong. So exchanges struggles for different reasons: regulatory problems, poor risk management, lack of users, or even security failures. And that's why traders make one big mistake by choosing an exchange purely on the base which provides you the lowest amount of fees. But fees are one part of the equation. Cheap fees doesn't mean much if you get weaker execution, poor liquidity, unreliable withdrawals, or an interface where you can't manage your position from. So I personally break it down into 5 questions. What product does it offer? How transparent are the fees and the trading conditions? How does it handle risk? How good is the actual trading experience? And can I understand what I'm doing before I put my actual money in? And that's where Margex caught my attention. So let's talk about Margex. It is a crypto platform which was launched in 2019, focused mainly on crypto trading and derivatives. According to Margex, they have 500,000 users in their platform who have registered across 150 countries. And unlike exchanges trying to be everything at once, Margex puts a big focus on the trading experience, which includes derivatives, copy trading, leverage trading, buying crypto through supported payment channels and mobile apps. But instead of telling it's easy to use, let's open and see it for ourselves. That's a much better test than reading a feature list. So before the live walkthrough, quickly let's understand what Margex actually offer. The main focus here is leverage crypto trading and perpetual futures. They currently advertise a leverage of 100x on certain markets. 100x might sound impressive, but don't misunderstand it. Leverage magnifies your exposure and your losses just as fast. If you are new to futures, first of all understand liquidation, position size, margin and funding before touching up high leverages. They also offer copy trading where you can follow and copy other traders, plus staking, crypto purchases and price alerts. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be landing on this particular page here, and if you use the code Nitron, you will be getting additional bonuses which is of 20% on your first deposit. So the code will be in the description, don't forget to use that. So this is the interface here, as you can see, and you have the option to join the airdrop, and the airdrop is also running till 25th of August. So these are things you can check it out. Every detail are mentioned here. They also have an APK, and also on Apple Play Store they are available, their application. So if you click on the go trade, you will be landing into this particular interface here, or this particular page here. Everything is shown, the chart is shown here, BTC USDT, the prices are also shown. You can use the leverage here up to 100x, as I said. You can use according to the risk management you have. You can choose the size which you want, the amount of USDT, and whether if you want to buy or sell. Every option is shown here. And at the right hand side you have the chart, as I have shown you at the beginning. To deposit your funds, you have to click on the deposit option. You can choose the coin in which you want the deposit, whether it is BTC, USDT, USDC, everything is available. And now talking about the copy trading option, which I have mentioned the feature, you find all the traders here. You can follow them, you can follow their trades. If you don't want to take trade manually or execute trade manually, manually. They have a dedicated option, that is a copy trading option. Margex currently says it has 100 professional traders and over 500,000 copied trades. But here's my warning: copy trading doesn't mean guaranteed profits. Strong past performance doesn't guarantee the next. So don't just sort by the biggest percentage return and blindly copy the first person. Look at the consistency, the drawdowns, trading style and risks. So the trading interface and the platform is very user friendly and easy to understand. Beginners don't pick leverage first and decide the risk later. Think about risk first: your position size, your stop loss, your liquidation price, everything matters. Always check your estimated liquidation price before placing in a trade. This is one of the most important steps when you are trading with the high leverage. So Margex currently lists a maker fees of 0.019% and a taker fees of 0.06% on futures. Funding is separate and it changes with the market conditions. If you hold your perpetual position, the funding will also affect you, but this particular platform shows these numbers directly in the interface before you enter up the position. And they also have a negative balance protection and its MP shield system, which the company says it helps protection against abnormal market movements and unfair liquidations. But don't treat these reasons to take excessive risks. Risk management still starts with the trader. So what stands out after going through the platform? First, the interface, it doesn't feel unnecessarily complicated. Second, it's clearly built around active trading, not just a basic wallet, derivatives, copy trading, leverage trading and position management tools, with the trading cost and the position info visible right in the interface. But few things to consider: Margex is primarily a derivatives focused platform, so if you just want to buy Bitcoin and forget about it for the next 5 years, you may not need this. And also, if you are new to crypto, understand the basics of futures and leverage first. So this brings me to the question which I asked you at the beginning of the video: what exactly you should be looking in an exchange when you choose an exchange? So basically, there is no single metric. Look at the track record, security practices, trading infrastructure, fees, liquidity, withdrawal experience, product availability and regulatory restrictions. Margex says that their customers' assets are protected through multi-signature offline cold storages, with infrastructure subjected to security controls and monitoring. But as a user, still do your own research. Don't trust an exchange just because a YouTuber recommended it. Understand where your funds are going, what you're trading and the risk involved. So would I say Margex is worth checking out? So if you're specifically looking for a platform which is focused on crypto derivatives, leverage trading, copy trading, yes, it's worth putting into your comparison list. The interface here is straightforward, the product offering is focused and there are useful trading tools built around active trading. But to be clear, this isn't me telling you to straight away deposit your fund and start trading with 100x leverage. If you are new, start by learning how actually perpetual futures work, funding, liquidation, position sizing, and most importantly, never risk your money which you can't afford to lose. And if you want to check out this particular platform, I have given the link in the description. As I said previously, use our code to get additional 20% bonus. The code and the link will be in the description and also in the pinned comment. So hope you guys have understood today's video. Make sure you hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe. So I'll be meeting you guys in the next video. Until then, take care. Goodbye.